Ready to unlock the earning potential of the world's leading crypto exchange? Let's get you started with a beginner-friendly guide to earning on Binance. First, head to Binance.com and create an account if you don't already have one. The sign-up process is straightforward. You'll need an email or phone number and a secure password. Security is key. Enable two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator or SMS to protect your funds. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Once you're logged in and secured, navigate to the Earn section on the top menu. This is your gateway to various earning opportunities. Let's explore Simple Earn here. You can deposit your crypto holdings and earn interest. Choose between flexible terms, where you can withdraw your assets anytime, or lock terms for higher returns over a set period. Notice the AP, or annual percentage yield, displayed for each cryptocurrency. This is the estimated annual return you'll receive. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and the term you prefer. Next, let's look at staking. Staking involves holding certain cryptocurrencies to support the network and earn rewards in return. The process is very similar to using Simple Earn. Keep an eye on Binance Launchpad. This is where new crypto projects launch, and you can participate by holding BNB, Binance's native token, to potentially earn early access to these projects. Remember, all crypto investments involve risk. Always do your own research before investing, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Start small, understand the process, and gradually increase your investments as you gain confidence. That's it for this tutorial. Happy earning!